Ever wondered how to create engaging videos without ever showing your face? Welcome to my channel where I blend the power of AI with the magic of online moan making. In this video, I will show all you need to know, from video creation to monetization. First, I'll dive into success stories of creators just like you and show how they are using AI to create faceless videos that rake in the profits. Then, I'll show you step-by-step how to create videos using AI with easy and fun examples. And in the end, I'll share a quick strategy to turn your videos into cash in no time. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's look at some real examples to get inspired. First up, we have Real Life Lore, a channel dedicated to exploring fascinating and often overlooked aspects of our world. What's unique about Real Life Lore is that they never show their faces. Instead, they focus on high-quality infographics, maps, and engaging voiceovers, all easily created using AI tools. Real Life Lore's approach is all about making complex topics understandable and interesting. They cover a wide range of subjects, from geography and history to science and economics, providing viewers with thought-provoking insights and knowledge. Thanks to AI, they can quickly generate compelling visuals and scripts, making content creation both efficient and effective. Over time, Real Life Lore has built a loyal subscriber base thanks to their consistent and valuable content. Their videos not only attract thousands of views, but also drive significant traffic to their affiliate links. With this strategy, Real Life Lore has seen impressive growth. Let's look to Social Blade to understand their success in numbers. In the last 30 days, they have generated 15 million views. This translates to over 50K monthly ad revenue. In addition to this, they are also earning online income from affiliate marketing. The numbers are pretty crazy, right? Next, let's talk about Fact Nominal, a channel focused on sharing mind-blowing facts and stories from around the world. Fact Nominal never shows the faces of the hosts. Instead, they highlight stunning visuals and provide captivating voiceovers, all made possible by AI. Fact Nominal's videos are beautifully crafted, with eye-catching visuals and engaging storytelling. Their content is all about delivering interesting and surprising facts that keep viewers hooked and coming back for more. Using AI, they can easily generate scripts, create stunning visuals, and edit their videos, saving time and enhancing quality. Their engaging and visually appealing approach has resonated with a wide audience. Viewers love the intriguing facts and the high-quality presentation, making Fact Nominal a go-to channel for interesting content. These facts about Real Life Lore and Fact Nominal channels show you that with a focus on quality content and the power of AI, there's a way to make money online with faceless videos. Now, let's turn this online money-making dream into reality by showing you how you can create your own videos with AI in minutes. With the right tool and a clear process, you can quickly produce high-quality and engaging faceless videos with AI. First, go to the link in the description and create your free invideo AI account. Then, you need to construct a prompt for our video. Let's say we are making our video in the travel niche. Here's an example prompt for you. You can modify and use it for your niche. After having your prompt ready, go to invideo AI dashboard. Enter your prompt to the main box, hit Generate, and let the magic happen. invideo AI will generate a draft video including voiceover and music based on your prompt. Here's the initial video invideo AI created.
Welcome everyone to a region of Europe that's near and dear to my heart, Eastern Europe. We're about to embark on a journey to uncover 5 destinations that are not only rich in history and culture, but also incredibly affordable and welcoming.
It's a great start, but it is better to make some changes to stand out, right? For that, we will use this magical prompt box. With just few words, I will change the voiceover to US female accent and add yellow caption. After a couple of seconds, all my requests are edited into the video by AI. Let's see the result.
Welcome everyone to a region of Europe that's near and dear to my heart, Eastern Europe. We're about to embark on a journey to uncover 5 destinations that are not only rich in history and culture, but also incredibly affordable and and welcoming.
You can see how beautifully the US female voice and yellow captions are applied in just seconds. If you want to make more adjustments, simply use the prompt box again. Other than the prompt box, invideo AI allows you to change the script word by word. For that, you can go to the Edit section first, and then to the Edit Script section. Similarly, you can change scenes through the Edit Media section. For example, let's add some romance to the script to make it more engaging. After all, who doesn't love a bit of romance? After applying the change, invideo AI will update the video in seconds. Let's check out the video section with our refined script. Notice the enhanced narrative.
And as the day winds down, take a leisurely stroll along the Danube, with the chain bridge illuminated against the night sky, and feel like love story.
And there you have it, a stunning travel video created with AI in just a few simple steps, personalized with your unique touches. I suggest you dive right into experimenting with invideo AI after learning how to use it in this video. You can find the link in the description. The free plan lets you try out invideo AI. But if you're serious about your work, consider upgrading to the professional plan for $25 a month to unlock features like watermark removal and more advanced editing tools. Okay, I know you now asking how you can make money with these faceless videos. Let me share a quick strategy with you. To start making money as a new starter, you can leverage the power of affiliate marketing by partnering with brands in your niche and include their affiliate links in your video descriptions. This way, every view can turn into potential earnings. Not sure where to find brands for affiliate marketing? Simply ask ChatGPT for recommendations, like list travel booking affiliate programs. From the list, research and enroll into the programs that suit you best, and start including affiliate links of these programs in your videos. Making money online is easy. The key is staying consistent in your creative process. My videos are designed to keep you on track, so don't forget to subscribe and stay connected.